The whole purpose of this, I want to make a parallel between 4 different questions to show you it's exactly the same thing except for one small detail in every single one. Adam, if you could close that door for me. Okay. Next, the rate is 6.4%, which is of course 0.064. I'm hoping by now you're able to convert very quickly so you don't have to waste too much time on it. Okay? The time that is given is 15 years. Does it match with my rate? Yes. 6.4% per year. Time, 15 years. They match up. How much did this grow to? So I'm looking for the final amount. Put it together. Final amount. That's it. It's what I would consider the easiest one. Okay? Because it's very straightforward and I gotta calculate it. The second easiest one, in my opinion, would be number 9. So if I could jump down to that, would be most appreciated. Number 9. It is when you're solving for the initial amount, AI. If the final amount grew to $150,000, if the rate was still 6.4%, and the time that passed this time is 20 years, and that's a quick hint. What is the initial amount? Well, let's put it together. There. And keep going. Someone's going to have to work that calculator for me. This becomes $150,000 is equal to some value of money that I do not know yet, multiplied by something. Make sure you're done. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's move on.
You can edit it out. You can edit it out.
This is true. Multiply this out. 1.064 to the power of 20, please. If you have the patience for it. Sure, if you like. Yeah, censor 2 people now. Okay. Yep.
What is the arrow? Does that say next to it?
Arrow. Oh, must match.
Must.
Right? The rates and the time frame, they have to match. If I get the rate in years, but the time is in days, that doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Okay. Someone's got to help me out. Annabelle, I saw you working. Do you have it yet?
Yeah. 3.45.
3.45. What more?
8.
8. Thank you. It's because we're dealing with money.
Yeah.
I did the speech, right? AI then is equal to 150,000. And to get that all alone, I'm dividing both sides by 3.458. So that's part 2, right? First one, what's the final amount? Well, if I give you the final amount, how do I get the starting amount? Yeah. So there's a division. So you can find the final answer by working that out. Okay? The next hardest one, I would say let's go with number 8, because I'm going to save the guessing check for last. Number 8. And you could put a little disclaimer, solve for R, if they're asking for the rate. We have the question stating that my initial value was 15,000. My final value is 150,000. In other words, after 20 years, I multiply
my money by 10. It's 10 times enough.
20 years. Must match. Oops.
This is on Tuesday.
What's R? So let's put that together. 150,000 is from 15,000 multiplying with some interest rate
20 times. Suggestions? Let's make our lives easier. The whole point is to get into that bracket, to get rid of the exponent, to get rid of everything around it so we can get R all alone. Silence. I love it.
Come on, people. Let's do some basic algebra, yes.
Well, you divide the 15 by 150,000.
Or the other way around.
Yeah, sorry.
Divide both sides by 15,000.
Which gives you 10.
10 is equal to some number to the power of 20. Isn't that so much nicer? So much nicer, yes.
And now for the 20, you would make it another exponent, which would be 1 over 20.
No one cares. Yeah, everything can be to the power of 1 over 20, or if you don't like this idea,
Square root.
yeah, you can do the 20th root. Please note, I'll put a little arrow here. Okay? Something to the power of 1 over 20 is the same as saying doing the 20th root. So what you can do here is instead of writing it this way, you can simply say, I'm going to get rid of the exponent because I brought it over to the other side as a 20th root. They are one and the same. So someone's going to have to work this out for me. 20th root of 10 is going to be 1 plus r. Happy with your catch. Happy with your catch.
1.122.
Nice. You can just do that in your head. Subtract 1 from both sides. R is equal to 0.122. So if the rate is 0.122, what is that as a percentage? 12.2% a year, which is a pretty decent interest rate.
Is it 0.122?
0.122 or 12.2%. Okay? Lastly. Yeah, questions? No?
Yeah, so you got 1.122, and then you goes 1 plus r. What did you do with the 1 there? You just
Subtract both sides. Again, the whole point, algebra, I want to get R all alone. Last one. Should I just continue on from here? Continue on. I'm going to just erase just this portion. Last one, number 9. The question states that they are going to have, sorry, what am I doing? Number 9, number 7. The last one. So you can say, solve for t this time, the exponent itself. I have an investment of 15,000. I have an interest rate of 0.064 or 6.4%. I have my final amount turning into $150,000. What is time? In other words, $150,000 is equal to $15,000. 1 plus 0.064 to the power of some value I do not know. And if this is a value I do not know, you have to, at this point in time, I have not taught you logarithms, and unless you have someone else teaching you, or you come see me privately and just be like, oh, show me how to do logarithms, I can,
But otherwise, there is no other way for you to figure out the experiment unless you guess and check. Okay, there's the other side of the coin when it comes to exponents that we haven't touched yet. Let's simplify it and try to get t all alone, which means dividing both sides by 15,000, just like before. I have 10 equals 1.064 to the power of t. So let's do this. I need 1.064 to multiply with itself to get me 10. Thoughts? Any guesses? What kind of numbers you want to try?
Wait, sorry, what do you have to do? What do you have to do?
You have to guess and check if you want the time.
Yeah.
How long does it take for this rate to turn into a 10? That's a good thing. You got a calculator with you? Can you try 1.064 to the power of 50? Someone else with a calculator? Can you do to the power of 40? And someone else with a calculator? You got one? To the power of 30, please. I'll do it here.
11.958. Okay, I need, okay, to the power of 50 was?
22.237.
Okay, that's way too big, right? We want a 10, so let's go lower. 10 to the power of 40?
11.958.
Oh, that's closer to 10. And Eric?
Calculator's not really working.
Nice. Anyone else? Just
I
to
can
30,
do
please.
it.
Very quickly. I'm thinking I'm gonna undershoot. I know.
6 to the point 430.
Okay, so I totally undershot. So I am looking for a number between 30 and 40. 38. Okay, let's try it. Can we just, what is that?
10.56.
Oh, well, 10.56. So it's still overshooting. Just to be like perfect about it. Can we try 37?
37.
9.92.
Okay, so
37.5.
a little bit more than 37, but definitely under 38 years. That would be the answer on a quiz test or whatever. Wow, he's going all out. What is Dylan? You're going all out? How many years? 4.25, so quarter of a year. So 37 years, 3 months. Quarter of a year.